Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. Look at us, we are at day 4 of my series 25 Days of Christmas Gifts for Him. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome and happy holidays to you. Make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're pressing that subscribe button and hitting that bell because you don't want to miss the rest of the 21 days of Christmas. These products have been amazing and I really hope that these items, these brands, and everything has really resonated with you all and helped you find the perfect gifts for the guys in your life. I'm really excited about today's products because they come from a black-owned business. You all know I am always about black-owned business and supporting the culture, which is why I had to make sure that I at least showed you all this brand. They have a big official licensing for these products and it's quite amazing to see that they were able to do something so amazing. Today I'm talking about Actively Black. It is an activewear brand that is black-owned. They have amazing quality clothes for those guys in your lives who love to work out and who just love to be active. If you know you have someone in your life, especially a guy who is all about being active or just love to wear athleisure wear, come on, we all know sometimes we love to wear it and not work out at all, then Actively Black is a great idea because they have one of the greatest official licensing, and that is for Marvel. That's right, the official Marvel licensing and products that they have. I couldn't help myself. When I saw the Wakanda Forever athleisure wear, I had to get my hands on this. Not only is it great quality, and like I said, it's official. No knockoffs, none of that. It's official. The quality of these products is amazing, guys. It's not cotton, it's that thick athleisure material, which I really like. It's light, even though that it is that thicker material. It's breathable, and they come in sets. I obviously had to get the Wakanda Forever one. I mean, like I said, if you're gonna support the culture, you might as well support the culture from every end, which is why I decided to go with this one. It wasn't a hard choice. They still have other Marvel items, but I will say that they do kind of focus on the Wakanda Forever and Black Panther name in a lot of their athleisure wear. So if you're a huge Wakanda Forever or just a huge Marvel fan, this would be huge for them. I did get the short hoodie. Now this is, like I said, it is a hoodie and it's pretty simple. It just has the Wakanda Forever athletics on there, which is really awesome. And it did come with the matching shorts. Now let's take a look at these shorts. I'm loving that they went with obviously the Black Panther purple and black, but they also still have the Black Panther emblem on there. The quality of this athletic wear is crazy to me. I love that when you have it on, and let me tell you, I've had it on. Take a look at this and this. I looked good in it, and like obviously when I took those pictures, it wasn't really for the true athleisure wear, but I still rocked my Space Jam Converse and they looked good in it. Guys, I'm a huge fan of athleisure wear or just comfort wear, and these both offer that. What I really liked was that it didn't clash, that it didn't feel like I had on so much material. You could tell that the quality of the material is worthy of the money. Now, like I said, one of my biggest pulls from this was the fact that they are an amazing black-owned company and they are making a name for themselves with these quality clothes. I really wanted to highlight this brand and products because they are making ripples in the fashion world. This brand is making such a huge name for themselves, and being black-owned, it's not always hard to get in the door. They have not only gotten in the door, but they've busted down. And with these products, you will really see a difference in your active style, how you work out, how you run, all of those things. They have really put their money where their mouth is when it comes to these products. I really wanted to highlight Actively Black because not all brands are given the flowers they deserve. And this was one brand that caught my eye so quickly and honestly helped me change the way I even go about being active or going to the gym and like running and things like that. This really changed and helped me have a little bit more confidence where I was at. If a brand can do that, they're worth talking about. It's not just about what's on them, but it's about how they work with you, how they make you feel. And this brand really helped me want to be active, gave me the confidence and power that I needed. And I think that this would resonate with so many of the guys in your life. So guys, go check out Actively Black. Give them a chance, spend the money with them, because if you have someone active in your world, he would love this. And we are all Marvel nerds. Well, most of us, right? This is a great way to even get someone active who doesn't usually stay active. Get them some Black Panther workout clothes. Get them some Iron Man workout clothes. This would be the end all be all to get them active. Believe me, I was not trying to work out as much as I was until I started getting Actively Black's clothing to really help me have a true athleisure look and get me out there in the gym and outside to work out. So if you know someone who's trying to get active or who's already active, then this is the perfect gift for him. He would love it. We all want to let loose our Avengers. We all want to be one. And this is a great way to actively be one. So make sure you guys go on to check out Actively Black. Supporting those Black businesses is how we make sure they thrive. So I'm excited to at least debut them. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. This is day 4 and I am so happy to know that we are going strong with this. With my first 25 days of Christmas, this can be kind of overwhelming. But I am loving showing you this project. I am love showing you these products, and I am having so much fun on this journey, and I hope you all are too. If you like this video, go ahead and please give it a thumbs up. Again, make sure you guys are subscribing and hitting that bell. I've yet to miss a day, and I don't see myself missing one anytime soon. We still have 21 days to go till Christmas. That's 21 more products and brands just for you guys. So, as always guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys tomorrow.